I've shared the link. Uh, so you can join to the YouTube link. You'll be able to see my screen from there and hear all our conversation. So can you see my screen? All right. All right. So Abraham, can you see my screen? All right. All right. I guess Ali already left. Ali already left. But let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, Abraham can see my screen now, right? All right. So what can you see right now? What can you see right now? So what can you see? Okay. Tell him, I've already told you, it's just going through the YouTube since it's having a network. Right? YouTube is going to like be there. So let's continue. Let's see, we're analyzing what the market is going to do next. Or let's do a little bit of guessing, right? Using the support and resistance, right? Now let's use support and resistance and do a little back guessing, right? Like you can see what happened here from here. Let's go as far as this. All right, let's start from here. So the current chart, then we'll use it also to analyze the current chart. Now let's say we concentrate from mark out the zone like this. Now while we marked out the zone, remember the zone, right? It's not a line like this, it's not a tiny line like this, right? It's a zone because it's affecting every other one. They might not be of the same height, but it's affecting it because whenever price comes there, you can see it rejects, right? Price came there again, it's rejecting. So it has happened how many times? Multiple times, right? Occur two times. Can you see that? So, but when the price came there, what did it do? It broke it. It didn't reject. It broke the zone up. So upon the break, we are waiting for what? A retest, right? So break and retest of the zone. That's when we enter our trade for the buy. Enter the buy right here for gold. So whenever I see a break and retest for gold, we buy. But to the upside, right? So if it's the downside, we sell. So look at more examples like that, right? Now look at this. It came up here and it started giving us a zone right here. Can you see this? Can you give us a zone beneath here, right? Start giving zone right here. Sometimes price did. Can you see it? Upon this next one, it broke this, right? After we break, it came back comparison with this, right? You can see upon that we close it here. So any question before we continue? The trading zone break and it's time to apply. The time frame to use. All right, let me apply Elliot's wave. All right, let me take this one now. Apply Elliot's wave. Everything is out. Let me just take them out. Sorry. Now let's do Elliot's wave. You see, this is an uptrend, right? So let's apply Elliot's wave to this from the bottom where it started from. I'm in an uptrend. Let me try it. All right, welcome. CDT, welcome. All right, so you can see it has been an uptrend, right? It's from this bottom inside the uptrend, right? Right, an uptrend from this bottom. So from this bottom, let's check out the wave two. Elliot equals to 1.5, right? This is it. From this bottom, right, we give us the treatment, right? Treatment. Second move, treatment, right? Now we see that he has given us a new low here, right? And let's say we missed out on this move. He gave us a first move, and we are seeing that it's going higher, right? Now we are waiting that, okay, since we missed out on this first move, right? And we are seeing that it's giving us an Elliott wave upon three. We want to catch the retracement so that it came here to give us four, right? So what we have to do once we are seeing that it's coming down, right? Price is already coming down, giving us a high here. I want to catch the uptrend. Look at what we do right here. We bring out our Fibonacci 2. We use from recent low to recent high, right? Where is the low that it gave us before it gave us this high, right? The low is around this point, right? Around this point. This point around here. You can see it came here up. So we can draw our Fibonacci 2 from here, from this 2 that it gave us here, this low of this 2. Do you understand? Can you hear me? So the recent high, the recent high, this is the recent high that happened here. Can you see the recent high? Recent low to recent high. Can you see that from this 2 to 3, we want to catch this retracement because we already know it's giving us an uptrend. Right? We know that it's going to come and give us another higher low and for it to push back up, right? So that's what we want to catch this. We want to enter, we know where to enter. So we just once we have seen this high already dropping to this point, we just put our Elliott Fibonacci 2 from here to that top, that recent low to recent high from left to right. Remember, for an uptrend from left to right, from recent low to recent high. So when the price comes to 618, we are waiting for the price to come to 618 before we take action. So once we see the price gets towards 618, right? We just come there and enter our position right there, either on this one or on this one. Enter our position right there on 618. Now 618 resting here. We are just waiting for 618. That's it. This is 618. Thank you. When the price came to 618 and it's reacted, it pushed up from there. So that's why this one is really important. But many banks and hedge funds they pay attention to this level, this level. It's called the basic level on Fibonacci. So you can see what it did from there. It give us very good tips. So you can use this Elliott wave on gold or any other pair you want to trade. Alright? So you can see and the Fibonacci tool is to catch the replacement. So upon the fifth move, we reposition again, right? We reposition for another wave. Now you can see where it came here, it gave us a side another wave right here from this bottom. Can you see where it did? Side another wave from here. Coming back to this zone. This key zone right here. Can you see this zone? Came back to this support zone and side another wave from there. Right. So what we'll do is just our Elliott wave from zero, right, to one, right? One will be around here. Alright. To two, to three, right? To four. So we're expecting a fourth move, right? Going to give us the final move. So we're expecting a fourth move. So this two should be around here. So this is the retracement. Anyone with a question? We're going to end in 15 minutes. Then I'm going to share the new link on the Telegram. All right. So welcome back, Ali. All right. So any question before we continue? So what we are waiting for is only that Fibonacci to draw here from here to the recent high that is created here, right? We're waiting for the price to come down to 618. Here we'll take our next buy action whenever the price gets here. Any question? Yeah, on the trading market. Wait, you said if the number four, if the market is ranging, it's not going to get to number four. Right. So in some cases, the price might not get to number four, right? It might not get to number four. It might not get to this one. But in some other cases, right, it gets to this one. Like let's say in most cases you get to this one eight, but in lesser fewer occasions, it will not get to this 618. Right? It's to respect a 618 in another kind of let me take this one out. It's to respect a 618 in another kind of direction, right? Let's say that the Elliott wave happens. Now this is one thing about Elliott wave. It happens in sections. You understand? It happens in sections. Now what I mean by sections is this. This is a bigger Elliott wave, right? There's also a smaller Elliott wave happening right here like this. This is a smaller Elliott wave happening. You understand? So this is a smaller Elliott. So if I respect this smaller Elliott wave and put it back up, that means if you are catching a replacement like this, you want to draw it Fibonacci like this, something like this. You understand? If I draw it Fibonacci like this, then you see that it already broke the 618. So it's not respecting this one. It's not respecting this one because it already broke 618. It didn't react on 618. It reacted small, but it already broke it. So it's not respecting that one. So we can take this one out, right? It's happening in sections, all right? So when the elective happen section, this is the smaller one I just drew now is an example of another section that you can draw the Fibonacci with, right? That section you can draw it with. Um, you can also see a smaller one happening here. If you big Fibonacci, you see smaller Fibonacci. Sorry, in a big Elliott wave, you see smaller Elliott wave happening. Like if you look at the lower time frame, you're going to see, like even here, you see so many Elliott waves happening here in the lower time frame. Just like this move here. Can you see this move? Yes, this move is also an Elliott wave right here. Smaller Elliott wave. So if you're not catching the big one, you go to the smaller one and catch the smaller one. Or you can say, okay, this is giving us a move right here. And then come and say, okay, that's completed this zone already. But this is a zone right here, resting here. This is a zone resting here, right? This is a zone resting here, right? So you can say, okay, it's currently on this zone. You might come and give us something like this, right? Because it gave us the same thing here. Can you see? It gave us the same thing here. And when it was coming down, it gave us the wave coming down. Can you see it? So it might come down here and give us the same Elliott wave back up. So that's what we want to be trading Elliott with. That's what we'll be looking at, right? That is from here, right? Although this one, I think give us a bigger high here, right? That is from here. So if after we're putting the wave up, down, so we're expecting to give another wave back up to the upside, right here, right? You can say, okay, this is the first leg down there. We're giving us the second one here, right? This is the third one, right? Wants to go up and give us the third one and the fourth one. So if this is giving us Fibonacci, this one is right here. That means it has given us that retracement complete. Let's give check it out. Okay, this is affecting 780. So, you know, so this should be the first leg right here. It must not break seven, it must not break this one. Once it break this one, just know that the move is not valid at that point. It should not be broken. Yes, this one should not be broken. The golden zone should not be broken, right? So we're expecting to move like this. So once the price gets to a particular zone and starts rejecting, it mark out our Fibonacci 2 from there. That's the replacement back up. So this here how well it works for this on every time frame you're going to see that LS wave happening. in a trending market. In a trading market. All right, let me. Okay, the resistance here, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. See what's happening there. That's when we see a bigger picture. Let's see 2 hours. All right, 2 hours. You can see the Elliott wave happening here. You can see the move, right? So, I guess from what you said, you can actually look into it, but make sure you use it. Okay, this is a small trend. You're catching the trend inside the smaller trend inside the range here. So that's also something you can look out for. You want to catch the trending inside this range. Once it comes here, you start to catch the trending trend, right? Once it's buying, you catch the buying trend. Once it's selling, you catch the selling trend. That's something to look out for. So use the Fibonacci tool to catch the retracement of all the moves, right? Use the Fibonacci tool. Like right here, you can use Fibonacci tool. This should be 618 upon this move here, right? Let's say you miss this one, you want to catch this one, right? You want to catch that fourth one. Just bring your Fibonacci tool, put it low here, put it on this high here. On 618, if it breaks 618, that means it's not valid. All right, look at this is on exactly on 618. Can you see that? Was from there. So you can just position your buy here. Can you see that? Position your buy right there. So that's the same thing we're expecting here. Once it goes up, the lower second low here, we'll have to start getting. Once it comes up, shoot, shoot for the buy from there. You understand? So that's how we use Elliot's wave. All right. So you can choose to add it as a confluence to your chart, or just know it, just to teach it out. All right. So you can basically choose to use Elliot's wave on your chart. All right. Basically, choose to use Elliot's wave. So any strategy you use is good. Right. Just master it. Master your craft. Uh, that's all you need. Just master the strategy. Know the downside. Know your risk to reward. Know your risk management. And you're good. All right. So I guess we already analyzed good in that sense, right? We are waiting for a retracement before we enter, right? We already analyzed good in that sense. That means you're waiting for the Elliott move, right? Something like this. This second move, once you catch it on 618, right? Any question? This call is going to end soon. So once just go to the group. All right. Okay. You basically use just supply and demand trend line, psychology level. All right. So all right. Okay, all right. Okay. So since you want to add it to your conference, it's something just like this one. Let me look for another example, right? Let's look for another example. Now you can see what happened there for this sell setup, right? This is sell trade right here. When the price came like this, you can see what it came, give us this little pullback, retracement, dropped, right? Give this one, then it dropped, right? Dropped from there. So now you can see, let's say you caught the price, saw the price at this point, right? It was coming down, right? It was coming down to this point, and we want to catch this retracement here, right? You already see that it's giving us this Elliott wave, right? Because it has been giving us the Elliott wave up and down. So you just bring out your Fibonacci 2 from this low it give us here. This is the point. Then give us the number two move, right? So you get a Fibonacci from that play points, right? So this low, recent high to recent low, right? Then you mark it out. Once you can see retracement happened on 618, exactly 618. Can you see that? When the price just enter 618, just come there, shoot yourself from there, right? Shoot yourself upon 618, right there. If the price breaks 618, just know it's not the RS wave is not an LS wave move. Upon 618, it shoots like that. So you can see how is working for gold. With this strategy, we already analyzed the market right here. That when the price comes upon 618, right? Once it gives us a rejection, this should not be the top. This should not, we don't have the top yet. Until the price comes and gives us starts going down for a rejection, that's when we'll bring our Fibonacci to and put it at that top of where the rejection started from. And when the price comes to 618 upon that rejection, that's when we'll enter for the buy. Remember, if the Elliott wave breaks 618, just know that if you are already inside the trade, right, then it's a losing trade for you, right? So you can also look out for other confirmations, well, to enter the trade. Like if you see a what we see, if you see a bullish candlestick there, right, like a bullish engulfing candlestick upon that 618, you can enter. Sometimes you see a spike, you have to go to lower time frame to look for that bullish candle inside the 618. That's how we get the confirmation as well. You can see also right from this Elliott, you see a bullish candlestick there. So that's for the buy setup. For the sell setup, you see a bearish candlestick, like a bearish engulfing for the sell setup. Right? Like that that point where or sometimes you see like a pin bar, like a weak rejection, multiple weak rejection upon 618. Then you know that oh it's reacting. Here you can see this one getting weak rejection, weak rejection, weak rejection. So you know that the rejection 618 is actually valid at that point. So that's something I'm looking out for. Once you see this price move, I give us start giving the rejection, then we'll mark out as this one. You can see this small error is happening here. Can you see this move? Can you see it? So it happens in different frames. Let's say you cut this one, you know it's going to give us the Elliot. You bring your Fibonacci from here, right? Down to the top. You can see it. The actual upon 618 right there. It dropped weak rejection upon 618. Can you see it? Can you see that move? On top the 618. It rejected on top the 618. Right there. That's where you just come make your entry. Sometimes what I do is I'll just set my buy limit. Once I see this, the move is going in that manner, right? I'll set buy limit upon 618. Once it comes there, you just tap it. Sometimes it's not coming through, so you just tap 618 and move up. Just like this one here. So that would be like a sniper entry. So that's what we use the Elliot's cash replacement. Alright, so I'm going to share a new link. I don't know if you have okay, sorry about it. Let me create a new link and share. Welcome, Mr. Daniel. Welcome. Yeah, you thought so. Okay, YouTube link. All right, so you can join the YouTube where you join through here. But in the YouTube, you just be able to hear my voice or our voice, right? Just on here. But you won't be able to speak, just to send text, right? You'll be able to type, but not to like ask message. All right, so okay, Daniel, I sent a message. So here already. All right, Abraham said no book can't understand some things. Okay, all right, Abraham. Abraham, I can understand what you're saying. So you can ask your question here, Abraham. Anything you don't understand, you can just ask it. Just type it right there. I'm going to be checking it, so I'm able to see your the question you asked. All right, all right. Uh, so Abraham, just ask any question. Anytime I hear things that you don't understand, you can ask the question. All right, welcome, Abraham. So Abraham said you don't understand some things, right? So welcome, Mayor. Welcome, Victor. Welcome, Daniel. So Abraham said you don't understand some terms. Like what terms did I mention that you don't understand? Abraham, can you hear me? Yeah, you said you don't understand some terms. Right. All right. So if I get it correctly, you said you're talking about sales shop. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, all right. So I guess I'll have to explain that now. Mayor, I'll have to explain it. It's just quite it's easy to just let me just try to give you a bit explanation of it. All right. So for the sell limits, right? You want to know the difference between buy limits, sell limits, sell stop, and buy stop, right? And buy stop limit and sell stop limits. All right. Okay. Can you come again? See what you said again. All right. I want to share your screen, right? All right. Share your screen. I can't see your screen. Are you presenting? All right. Okay. I can see your screen now. All right. So on 95, right? This is a good trade you are on right now. Send for a good trade. All right. Can you swipe this thing on your screen? Swipe this color on your screen to the left hand side. Just swipe it straight behind. Okay. Okay. You swipe it. Is there any the color? Is the color showing on your screen? Like this call, the pop-up icon of this call we are on right now. Is it showing on your screen? Is it displaying on your screen? Okay, swipe it to the left. I think swipe it to the left. Just swipe it. All right. Swipe the call, this call onto the left. Swipe it. This pop-up. Swipe it to the left. It's gonna just hold it and swipe it. May I stop sharing. Yeah, it was sharing. Just stop sharing. May you can share it again. So go to MD5. So now this pop up on your screen, swipe it to the left. That's what I'm saying. The pop up on your screen, hold it and swipe it. It's going to hide. Just hold it and swipe it. That's it. Yeah, yeah. I can see your screen clearly now. Okay, I can see it. Yes. So what you do now? What the difference between those ones is this, right? For sell limit is what you can sell a sell, you can set a sell limit above the price, right? You can set a sell limit above the current price, and you can set a buy limit below the current price. Now, what sell limit is this: you are saying that whenever price comes back to that point where the sell limit, that means you have made an analysis and saying that okay, maybe whenever price comes to that point, it's gonna once the price gets to that point, it's gonna sell. Just like the Fibonacci example we did, right? The Fibonacci, I told you that sometimes I'll set my buy limit just from that example on the Fibonacci 618, right? So once you come to your MT5, once now, when you are analyzing the market, and you are seeing from your analysis, right? You are predicting that once the market comes to that point, let's say you want on the buy setup, right? You are saying when the price gets comes to that point, it's going to buy. Once it comes to that point, that price is going to buy. That's what your analysis and your prediction is telling you that when the price comes to that point, it's going to buy from there, right? So what you do is that price that you are seeing that okay, once the price get there, you are predicting that once the price get there, it's going to buy, right? You put your a buy limit there. You understand? And if that buy limit must below the price. It must be where the price is coming down to, right? It cannot be above the price. It must be where the price is coming down to. That's for buy limit. All right, you can bring up a buy limit up here on this chart, so I'll show you. Now, you can either set it manually or you use that here. So you can see that this buy limit, it can only appear buy limit when it's below the price. That means you can only set a buy limit below the price. You understand? Yes, below the current price. That means you are saying that when the price comes there, right, it's going to buy from there. It's going to come there and reject and buy from that point. That's what you are predicting. So you just set a buy limit and wait for the price to get there. And if the price goes in your favor, good for you. Then strategy is good. You understand? So that is why now you can see I told you you can only put it below the price, right? Below the current price, that's where you can put a buy limit. And a sell limit, you can also put a sell limit above the current price, right? You are saying when the price comes to that price point that you set the sell limit, that you're predicting that the price is going to sell from there. That's why you set a sell limit. You understand? So buy limit is for it just like sell limit. Buy limit and sell limit are the same. A buy limit is for a buy setup. You are saying, okay, when the price comes, there's going to buy, predicting it, right? Right. When the price comes, it's going to buy. You set a buy limit on that price zone. You want the price. You have predicted that the price is going to come there and start buying from there. Why a sell limit is you are having a sell setup and you are saying, okay, when the price gets to this sell zone, you're going to start selling from there. That's your prediction, right? That's why you set a buy limit or a sell limit. All right, that is, do you understand buy limit and sell limit now? And buy limit can only be found below the price, where the price have not is trying to get to, and the sell limit can only be found above the price. Do you understand? So I hope you understand buy limits now. All right. So now for buy stop and sell stop. Now a buy stop, unlike buy limits, right? Unlike buy limits can be found below the price, right? A buy stop can be above the price. Now click on that buy limit right there. Click on it. Click on buy limit. You can see you can find sell stop, right? Take that sell stop above the price. If you want to buy stop, take the sell stop above the price. Can you see that? Can you see what happens? So a buy limit can be set below the price, but if you want to set a buy-in above the price, it's called buy stop. You understand? If you want to set a buy above the price, it's called buy stop. If you want to set a buy below the price, it's called buy limit. Below the price, it's called buy limit. That means where the price is heading to, right? It's called buy limit. But if you are setting a buy above the price, that you are saying once the price comes there, it's going to once it comes there, it's going to like uh, enter my buy stop and push up ahead. You understand? You're saying that when the price gets to that point, it's gonna keep buying. That's your prediction, right? That's why you set a buy stop. You understand? Like if you're trading maybe a strategy like maybe a breakout strategy or maybe any other strategy that entails that whenever price comes, it's gonna give you a big push, right? Or maybe you want to trade news, right? You want to trade like news. You are saying, okay, if the price buys to this point, that means the news is going to still buy up high. Like you want to trade NFP news that gives like 100 pips, right? You are saying, okay, if it's going to clear liquidity, your position is telling you it's not going to clear to this point. So you just set a buy stop there because now you want to buy. Let's say instead to set the buy limit below the price, and you are saying, I want the price to buy to this point and keep buying because of your position. That's what it's telling you. So just set a buy stop above the price so that once let's say NFP news drops and it start buying up, once it taps your buy stop, right? Your buy stop will be activated, right? And if it keeps going higher, good for you. That's how your buying continues like that, right? But if it rejects from there, you have like a drawdown or something. But if it keeps buying upward, good for you. That's why buy stop is just buy stop and buy limit. Their differences is the similarity is the buy, right? But the difference is the buy limit, you can set it below the price, right? The buy stop, you can set it above the price. That place that you set your sell limit, you can put your buy stop there. And that same place you can put your buy limit, you can put your sell stop there. Remember, sell limits, you can put it above the price, but that sell stop, you can put it below the price. You understand? So I hope you understand buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limits now. All right. So the other one is buy stop limits and sell stop limits, right? So click on this buy stop right now. Click on this buy stop. You're gonna see the third one. Buy stop. Let's click on buy stop. Click on that buy stop on that. Yeah, you see buy stop limits. And if you take it below the price, you're gonna see sell stop limits. Take it below the price, you're gonna see sell stop limits. All right. So now this is how buy stop limits and sell stop limits works. All right. Buy stop limit is when you are having two prediction, right? You can see two icons appear there, right? They have a stop limit and a sell, and you can see two icons, the white one and the red one. Can you see there are two? So we have stop limits and a sell stop limit, right? So what this that means you're having like a prediction. You're saying that okay, when the price comes to this point, right? You set your stop limit. Let's say you are having like maybe a let me use the Elliot wave for example, because we just talked about Elliot wave, right? Now you know that the Elliot wave is gonna like give you like a top, then to give you a retracement on 618 before it now go higher, right? All right. Now let's say you want to set a buy stop limit or a sell stop limit in any of those situations. So this is how you set it. Now this stop limit price is the price you want the is the price you are predicting that the candlestick is going to get to before it now give you that retracement, right? So that's 618 that you set your sell stop limit. That means you're having two prediction at that point, right? This one is if you I don't think I will ever be using this sell stop limit, but I don't know what the future holds, right? Because this is like you are predicting what the market is gonna do, and I don't see myself predicting what the market is gonna do, right? What I do is I wait for the market to give me the action, then I react. I don't like predict what it's gonna do, right? But this one is this if you're using sell stop limit, you want to predict what the market is gonna do. You want to predict the action is going to take. You're saying, okay, if it buys to this point, I'm predict that if it comes back to this point, right? I didn't hear you. Is this analysis or FX? That's the question. Stock analysis. No, no, this is just your entry, not analysis. It's just your entry. How to set a sell stop limit, how to set a buy stop limit, how to set it, right? That's just what we're talking about. Now let's go to the let me explain. Let me just quickly explain this year's stop limits right there on the chart. All right, so as just leave your screen open, I'm gonna make my screen the hosting screen, so we will see my screen. Then I'll go to the chart uh, and then just you can just minimize your screen and come to my screen. All right, so you can still leave your screen because you're still gonna come back to your screen, right? You're still gonna come. Just leave your screen on. Just come to my screen and uh, okay. So I hope you can see my screen. All right, so let's go to the chart. Now, this is what I mean by sell stop limits and buy stop limits, right? Now, this is what you are predicting. For example, I drew this Elliott wave like this, and you are saying, I'm just using this for example, right? Let's say you are using Elliott wave. Now, let me use this as the sell. You know, I told you we have two options there: the sell limit price. Sorry, let me use the buy example: the buy limit price and the buy stop limits, right? Now, let's say this is where you set the buy limit price. Let me just tag it like that. This is the limit price. Now you are predicting that your prediction now is that if this price is going up, right? If this price is going up, the price won't pass this place. That's what you are predicting. It won't pass this place, right? It won't break it before it will come down. Or it might break it and come down. That's what you are predicting. That's your prediction. Do you understand? You're predicting that it will either not pass it or it will break it before it will come down. Do you understand? Now this line here. Let's say I'm using this line just representing the line on your MT5, right? That's that buy limit price. That is it. That's why I label it buy limit price, right? You still go back to your phone and look at it. Now you're pretending that This price might come here. It might break here, but I'm predicting that it will come to this point. It will definitely come to this point. That's from an analysis. You already know that. I hope you all can hear me. Go to if you cannot see my screen. If you cannot see my screen, go to the YouTube. That's why I shared the link on the Telegram. Go to Telegram, see the YouTube link, click on it. If you have a question, you can come back, join and ask, or just type it on YouTube. I'm going to go there and check it. All right. Just join through YouTube. All right. So you can see the price. The price went up like this, right? And you are predicting that the price is still coming up. You're predicting that the price is going to come to this zone, right? This is buy limit price that you set here. It's going to tap it or it's going to break it, right? And you are also predicting that it's going to come down again after it gets to this zone. And let's say this is your buy stop right here. Let me. This is your buy stop limits. This is your buy stop limits resting right here. Right, this yellow line here is your buy stop limits. This line here is your buy limits. All right, I'll be following. All right. Now this one here is just telling us that okay, once this price goes up and to hit this zone, that means the first rule is already met. You have two rules set. If this price does not get to this point, right? If this price does not get to that point, and it come back down here, your trade cannot be triggered. Your trade won't be triggered. If it does not get to this buy limit price, right, and come back down here to touch this one, your trade will not be triggered. But if the price comes to this point, but if the price comes to this point and past it breaks it, right? But it comes to this price, right? And then it's retraced and come to this price. That's when your trade will be triggered for that buy. Your buy is going to trigger from here. Do you understand? Your price once the price gets here and comes down back here to trigger to touch here, your buy is going to trigger from here. It's going to trigger and buy up, right? But if the price does not get to this your buy limit price and it comes down to this zone, it will not be triggered. Or if your price come here, right, and it does not come down to this zone, so your buy stop limit, it will not be triggered. It must follow the old rule that you said. So you are saying that means for your analysis, you must be very sure, right, that okay, it's gonna get here and get here. Because if any of the rule is not met of those your prices, your trade will not be triggered. Do you understand? Do you understand what I just did? So that means you are predicting what the market is likely to do. That means maybe you've started a strategy that is working perfectly. You're already 100% sure your strategy, right? Or the no strategy is the only give. But let's say you're like 90% sure your strategy that okay, the price is going to come here and come down here. You're not sure that you will see that this price is going to come here, come down here before it goes up. You are sure of it, right? You just come set your buy limit price here, set your buy limit. This is your buy stop limit you're setting. To give you two options, your buy limit price, where you want the price to get to before it will retrace to your entry before it will go up. So once it triggers here, your buy limit will be triggered from here. But if it does not get here, right, and it comes back here, buy limit will not be triggered. It must meet the two rules before it gets triggered. Same thing for sell limit. Same thing for sell limit. You give it two price like that. You have to set the price, the sell limit price on the point you want the price to get to, and your buy stop limit on the price to get triggered. So let's go back to your MT5, your screen, right? So let's look at the option right there. So share your screen again. Let's as is displayed there. Right. Share your screen. Let's look at the option. Yeah, I can see your screen. Let's go to your MP5. So any question? All right, maybe you have a question. All right, so Abraham, there's no Abraham is not here. All right, I can see your screen. Go to your MP5. I mean, your hand is raised up. You have a question. Go to MT5. I can see your screen, Mayor. You are muted. So go to MT5. You can unmute yourself. You are speaking right now. We can't hear you. Uh, Unmute yourself before you go to your screen so we'll be able to hear you. We can't hear you right now, Mayor. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Mayor, can you hear me? Mayor, can you hear me? Mayor, if you can hear me, unmute yourself and go to your MT5. Mayor, can you hear me? Unmute yourself and go to your MT5. I guess maybe Mayor can't hear me right now. All right. So let's Mayor is busy or something. So let's continue before Mayor gets back. So Mayor, once you're back, you let me know. Mayor, you are muted. You are muted if you can hear me. Okay. Okay, Mayor, you can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. I guess I was the one that was muted. All right. I was muted. Unmute yourself. Go to your screen, share your screen, and Mayor, you can share your screen. Unmute yourself. All right, go to your device. Yes, I can see your screen. I can see. All right. So bring out the buy stop limit again. All right, you can see what it did. It gave us two lines, right? Now you can see the first line here, right? You can take the first line. This is for sell stop, right? You can take the first line, put it at a price up above, right? When the price get there, it's gonna yeah, now something like that. Now this stop limit price is that you are saying when the price goes up here, it's gonna come back to this sell stop limit. And once it gets to this stop limit price and come back to sell stop limit, your trade is gonna get triggered for a sell, right? You understand? But if the price does not get to this stop limit price, right? It's not and it comes back to this sell stop limit, your trade will not be triggered. It must get to the stop limit price and come back to the sell stop limit before your sell will be triggered. You understand? All right. Same thing for the buy. You can take it above, take this red this sell stop limit above, so it's going to the buy. Same thing for buy. Right there. Right there. You can put the stop limit price anywhere above or below. You're not saying well, you're just saying that no, you can put it above as well. Anywhere you want to put it. That's stop limit price. You can put it anywhere you want, right? But your prediction is saying that the price is going to come to this stop limit price, right? Come back to the buy stop limit before it get triggered. But if any of them is not met, it's not going to be triggered. Or let's say the price comes up and passes through your buy stop limit, right? Your trade will not be triggered because it has not gotten to the stop limit price yet. Do you understand? You can see the price is below, right? Now, if this price comes up, buy, like it's buying, it start giving us bullish candlestick, and it buys and pass your buy stop limits, right? If your trade is not be triggered, and let's say, for example, your stop limit price is above, like just as it is right now. If this price comes up, become bullish and buy and pass through this your buy stop limit, your trade will not be triggered unless your trade will only be triggered unless the price comes to this your stop limit price, then go back to your limit before your trade will be triggered. So your prediction must have that kind of flow, right? Maybe you have tested it and you're seeing that the price is going to like make that move, right? So that's where you now set your stop limit price and your buy stop limit on the chart, like on your M25 to place that future trade. You're saying it's going to make that move in the future. Do you understand? Yeah, that's how you use your buy stop limit and your sell stop limit. I hope you understand buy limit, sell limit, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. All right. So any other question before we continue? Or anyone with any question? We all understand buy stop limit, and sell stop limit, right? All right. Uh, any other person? I believe everybody understands this, right? Right. Everyone understands this. I guess you already analyzed gold, right? So what pair would you like us to analyze? All right, Euro USD. All right, all right. Here, I guess just message me on WhatsApp. Uh, let me reply and give me a moment. All right. So let's move on. Euro USD. His network is right. I don't think it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube currently. So let's move on. Euro USD. All right. This is Euro USD right here. All right. So let's look at Euro USD from the 4 hours, right? Then we'll analyze the lower time frame. So what should we use? We should use our or we use the Elliot wave, or so we have talked about support and resistance. Okay, let's use supply and demand then Elliot wave. All right, so let's use supply and demand. Then we'll see what supply and demand is telling us. Then we'll use the Elliot wave and we'll see what Elliot wave is telling us. Right? All right. So let's try it out. All right. So this is a demand zone right here. Right? The demand zone. If you extend it here, you see uh the valid demand zone. Right? Why is it a valid demand zone on the 4 hours? You can see it. The rule that follows it. Uh, does it meet our rule? If it meets our rule, then it's all right. So you can see it. Yeah, that's very good outlook. Break and the retest, right? So we are saying that whenever price comes here again, it's going to do what? All right. So that's what our support, demand and supply is telling us. Support and resistance is telling us to do. All right. So if you look at the past, you should see this place as a demand zone in the past. Look at the past, right? You should be seeing a demand zone. Can you see? Can you see what it did here in the past? Should be a zone in the past. Can see what it did here. So the resistance zone break, it test boom, right? Can you see that? Then he got here, he broke the test again, then broke again. Can you see that move? So it's a valid zone for us. And the price is back here again. So we are expecting it to buy, right? It can either buy or break it, right? Two options. It can buy or break it below. It can buy up or break it down. But how can we know if it's going to buy or break it? We already talked about this, right? I guess we already talked about that. How to know if it's going to buy or break it. Can you see this break here? There's no bullish candlestick. Right? Value candlestick. Can you see this formation here? Is bearish, right? So you should not play with this kind of bearish, right? You wait to give us bullish, and it does not give us bullish, you leave it. It went down, right? Can you see where it broke it back up? It gave us bullish, right? When this one bounced, what did it give us? Can you see it here? Bullish engulfing, right? Right. So let's go to the current price. We're going to see the same thing. Any bullish engulfing there? Are we seeing bullish engulfing here? Right, right there. Bullish engulfing. That means it's not going to break it, right? It's telling us it's not going to break it. Assuming it's going to break, it's going to give us bearish break, right? But it has given us bullish engulfing on 4 hour zone. So we are looking for a buy setup. That is what support is telling us. So let's look at Elliot's, right? You already know what support is telling us, right? Or any question based on it? Or are we all good? You should be looking for a buy right here. Buy. All right. So Euro USD is telling us to buy. So you're gonna buy back to this stuff. All right. So let's look up for what Elliot is telling us. So let's use Elliot's move right here. So this is what this is Elliot's move right here, right? From 0, 1, right? 3, so around here, 4, right? I mean 5, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Elliot's wave right there. Can you give us this move? This is give us 0, yes, 1, 2, 3, 5, right? This is Elliot's wave completing Elliot's wave here, right? Can you see this move? Trending upward, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Give us the bearish move. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's use Fibonacci to see if it's going to give us this one is upon this zero move here. This is the low to the high, right? If you on 618, can you see 618 here? You can see upon 618, it's moved up. Boom. So 618 is working right here, right? So let's catch this one again. Let's see want to catch this move, this fourth move right here. Fibonacci again from here to this top, right? Upon 618. You can see 618, it's moved from this one. Can you see it? 618. Can you see it? 618 right there. All right, so let's look at this bearish move as well. This one is let's say we cut this one, we want to catch the retracement from left to right, from top to what to the bottom, right? 618. Are we seeing on 618? Look at 618 here. Can you see that reaction on 618? Short down from 618, right? Now you want to catch this next move again. Let's play again. Elliot's way from here to this top, right? Can you see it? Upon 618, what did it do? Can you see 618 right here? Can you see that? Rejected. So let's now it has completed the fifth move. So we are expecting it to give us something like this again, right? Something like this again, right? All right. So so we are waiting for it to come to give us a top right? Without that top, we will not be able to trade it. We want to give us a top so we can catch the retracement. Once it gives us this top and start to retrace, then we'll bring our Fibonacci 2 and put it here and put it at that top, put it at the bottom here, and put it at that top that it gave us. So when the price comes to 618, we don't know where the top is. All right, you can ask. Yes. Yes. Remember, for a buy setup, is recent low to recent high. For a sell setup, is recent high to recent low. That's why I say you should write it down. So when you are drawing it, you just follow the rule. You draw it from left to right, from left to right. For a buy setup, from left to right, from recent low to recent high. For a buy setup, recent low to recent high, left to right. For a sell setup, left to right, from recent high to recent low. For a sell setup, from recent high to recent low, left to right. All right, you can ask your question. All right, so this is what we're waiting for. But we can go to the lower time frame to see if you can see a smaller Elliot, right? If you see a smaller Elliot, you can still catch a move, right? This is the 1 hour time frame. On this 1 hour time frame, you might see a smaller. You can see the smaller Elliot here. You can see this move here. Can I see smaller Elliot? You can still catch a move from the smaller Elliot wave right here. All right, so let's go to like 15 minutes. We want to be catching maybe a small Elliott wave. So since on the bigger time frame, we still have to wait for it to give us this big move, right? So let's go to a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes. Then we'll make our entry. So we'll make our entry to catch the smaller Elliott wave, right? Can you see it's giving us this retracement down here, right? Give us this one, giving us retracement. Explain it. It's still giving us this retracement here. So these two, let me just complete this one. All right, so it's still giving us the first move zero, right? So it's still giving us one. One is giving us one, right? So this is about this one position. We're waiting for a retracement from this point or from this point. I want us to go. I want it to give us a high first, a high of a retracement, right? It can either be this one or this one, right? So if we drop the Fibonacci from here, this bottom right here to this point, right here, right? If it gives us another retracement down here to the downside, you can see this one did not come to 618. That means it has not given us the highest point to get to it, right? So it needs to give us the highest point. It might be this one is giving us right here. If this candlestick turns bearish, it might drop from there. It might just drop for that full retracement from this point right here. We don't know what it's going to do yet. Remember, as price action traders, I'm not predicting what the market is going to do. I'm just waiting for the market to come to me, to give me what it wants to do. And once I see I will enter. Right? If it gives us a new high retracement on 618, if it does not come to 618, we let the market to go. We let it to go. Right? We just let it go until we see that setup before we enter. If it does not come to us, we leave it. If it comes to us, we enter. Right? So if this one turns although the market is closed, this one already closed bearish. That means once the market opens, we are expecting this one to retrace down to 618. But if it does not come here, we let this go. But if it comes here, we enter from here. So that should be our entry right here, right? Then I'll take profits, I'll take it up 1:2, 1:3 or more. Any question? Okay, this class is going to end in 15 minutes. Uh, so any other question? Should I share a new link? Anyone with any other question? Or maybe you want to you've had enough for the day. So you want me to share a new link or you've had enough or you have more questions to share a new link. All right. All right. So you want to do it in the next class, or you want to do it in this class? All right. So you want okay? You're good for it now. So let's give it votes. So majority carries the vote. Let's see. Uh, so who wants to do it in this class or the next class? Uh, okay. Now we're trading on your phone right now. So who else is on this class? How are we? All right. So Godwin, are you in for it? Yes, Daniel said he's in. Mayor said doesn't have to interview. So Daniel, are you? Godwin, are you in? All right. Okay. You said you need to learn the Fibonacci of a thing. That's exactly what you're saying. So what? I guess you maybe don't understand the question that he asked. He said, "Can we all share our screen and use this same thing we are doing right here? This same strategy we are doing right here, right? Can we share our screen and use this strategy with our phone so we can all monitor it together and learn from ourselves?" That's what he's asking, right? Can we do it right now or wait for it? All right. Yeah, yeah. So we know your shortcomings and corrections and make corrections. So are you saying we should do it in this class? That's the question. The next class. Majority carries the vote. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, that means you are saying we should do it. So you have to we are okay. We have already majority carries the vote. All right, majority carries it. Okay, let's do it in this class. All right, Daniel, you can share your screen there. Uh, you can share your screen. All right, this is your trading view. This is your trading view. Or this is MC5. This is MC5, not trading view. I can hear you. Can you hear me? All right, so go to your, I didn't hear you. Okay, I should use my screen and be showing you. So if you're doing it, I will not be looking at your screen, right? Okay, all right, all right. So let me share my screen again. All right. Okay, Brandon, let me share a new link. Just once I share it, you can just leave the call because I want to leave out. Let me create a new link. So I'll send you Telegram right now. All right, can you hear me? All right, I'll send the new link. So you can just join. Let me exit this one and join. Just join and wait for me to accept. All right, welcome back. Welcome. All right, you can share your screen. Share your screen. Yeah. Yeah, I can see your screen. Yes. All right. Click on you can see that icon on the bottom left, uh, bottom right corner. That icon that's looking like a pyramid. Is it a pyramid or like a boat? Like a boat, like screw and boat. There's an icon looking like a boat. Down, you see that three dots above the three dots, right? Click on it. So click on reset price scale. So have you gotten what you're looking for? All right. To get there, click on that pencil icon. Go back to the chart. Go to the chart. You're on menu. Click on chart below. You can see the options below. Yeah, chart. Now click on that pencil icon. Pencil. Then scroll down. You see that? Yeah, you can see a rectangle right there. Geometric shapes. Have you clicked on the rectangle? You see rectangle right there on geometric shapes. Then click on it. Now come to that point. I want to draw the rectangle. That point. I want to draw it. Yeah, resistance. All right. Tap there, tap there. Just tap it there. Tap it there. Tap. One tap, just one tap. Then drag it, drag it to the right or to the left. Uh, you left the trading view. I can still see your screen. You left trading view. But I'm seeing you guys, this is MT5. Wait, hold on. I get this. So I'm seeing someone else here. Hold on. Just wait, which screen is this? Okay, Daniel. All right. You can leave your screen on. Just leave it on. You can leave your screen on. Let me see if I can scale through the both screen. I was like, the screen just changed. All right. You can leave it on. Let's see. Mayor. Mayor, are you still presenting? All right. Hold on. Let me see. Can you, no, Mayor, stop sharing and share again. Stop sharing, then share again. Stop sharing, then share again. Yeah, I can see. Okay, I think it's one person at a time that can allow to share. Right? I think it's one person at a time. Because when you started sharing, I couldn't see Daniel's screen again. I'm sure Daniel is still sharing his screen. Daniel, are you still sharing your screen? Okay, I want to see if the both of you can share at the time. That's what I'm looking at. Share your screen. Let me see. I thought maybe as Mayor started sharing your screen as to go. Okay, Mayor, okay, it's one person at a time. So let's do one person at a time. All right. You can get from the App Store or from the Play Store. From App Store or Play Store, just search for Trading View. Yeah, I can see your screen. Just drop it and stretch it. Yes, then yeah, you can stretch it like that. Yeah, you're correct. Okay, this is a resistance zone. Wow, that's a very good one. I'm seeing a cell right here. I'm seeing a cell. Yes, yes. That's the confirmation for a sale. I'm looking this price is gonna drop down to this zone, right? This 1.24. Yes, I'm looking at this price dropping down to 1.24. So it's looking like a ranging market. Very good, very good, very good. This is a very good one. Very good one. So what is your stop loss? Back on it, let's get stop loss. How many pips stop loss? Right. No, I mean on your trading view. I mean on your MC5. I mean, yeah, stop loss needs to be there on your. Yeah, just tap on the trade. Just tap on the trade. All right. Okay. You have your stop loss and your TP. Very good. Very good. So go to your chart on this MP5. Let's see how many pips stop loss, how many pips take profit. For risk to reward is really important. All right. So now tap on the trade. Tap on the trade. You want to see stop loss. Just tap on the trade. That red line like this. Tap on it. No, go to your chart. This red line that is on your chart. Tap on the red line. Tap on it. All right. The stop loss is uh this is 19 pips. Wait, this is 90 960 963 points. Is that what I'm saying there? Wow, that's a big. That's 96. Wow, this is too big. This is a very big loss. This is a very big loss. It's too big. It's almost 100 pips stop loss. Yeah, but what I do basically, I use between 15 to 20 pips stop loss. Between 15 to 20 pips stop loss is my stop loss, right? If I want to go to, if I want to use maximum of stop loss, maybe 30 pip overall maximum, right? But my normal stop loss is within 15 to 20. But this is like 90 pips, 96 pips stop loss, almost 100 pips stop loss. How much is your take profit? Go to your daily, let's see. Go to daily time frame. Let's see your take profit. Let's see if it's gonna be like 1:2. Then I'll say okay, uh is what the so your take profit is what is the number there? Can you call the number out? 1541. Okay, 154 pips. Wow, nice one. That's like one ratio, 1 point something. Because about you're supposed to be targeting 200 pips. That would be like 1:2. So like it should be like 2,000 points right there. 2,000 points. Yeah, she have brought it to about 2,000 points. 2,000 points. This reward needs to be like 1:2 or more. Right? That risk to reward. This one is like using 90 pips. Okay, this one is you're risking 75 pips to capture 150 pips. I think this is a good one. This is a different. You tap on a different trade. I'm seeing 75 pips to get 150 pips. I think this 75 pips point. Right. Second trade. Right. I think this is 1:2 right here. So this one should be risking how many dollars is there? Like $7 to get $15. That's the 1:2. You can see $7 to get $15, 1:2. Tap on the second one, the second trade. Just tap on the stop loss that is above. That's second stop loss above. Tap on it. The stop loss that is above there. The second stop loss. You can see a stop loss above that this one. Right? Just tap on the stop loss. No, on the chart. On the chart. No, I can't see your screen. No, I can't see your screen. But the trade is too, you're risking too much. Like if that risk is too much. Even if it's 1:2, it's still too much. But it's good. At least for beginning, you have a stop loss, right? That's good. That you have a stop loss. It's more risky than if you don't have a stop loss. 963. Yeah, that's it. To get 1681. That's 32 pips. Okay, that's 1:2 as well. 18 to get 36. Okay, 19 to get. It's supposed to be like 19 plus 19 is 38, right? This is directly like 38 like $38. That would be about uh, okay, I guess that would be about all right, welcome, Godwin. So that would be about 1,000 okay, this is 983. 983 times 2 would be about let me calculate it. Yeah. So it's gonna be about so what I'm calculating is because your risk to reward needs to be 1:2 and not just 1:2, right? Your strategy must be giving you that 1:2, not just your risk to reward. You understand? Your strategy must be telling you this take profit must should get to this. Not that you just said a take profit that the price can never get to, right? You don't just say because you want to do 1:2, you just say a take profit that the price can never get to, right? Your strategy must be telling must be that that price will get to that your 1:2 point. And you have to use a tight stop loss so that your take profit, even if you are doing 1:3 or 1:4, that the price can get to, it's gonna be worth it, right? All right, all right, all right. You can go back to your trading view. 983 times two. Okay, that's like 1960. That's like 196 pips. Yeah, that's a since it has a stop loss, it's a good trade. All right. The good thing is, yeah, it has a stop loss, but the stop loss is just to the correction is just to make the stop loss tighter, minimize your risk, your loss, maximize your profit. That's the reason. Minimize your loss, maximize your profit. Yeah. All right. Welcome, Abraham. Welcome, Abraham. Can I see your screen? All right. Very good. Just tap it once. Then you just stretch it. Click on it, then stretch it. Click on it. Yes, then stretch it. All right. All right. All right. All right. The tool you need to use for that is all right. I guess we need to go to lower time frame to confirm that. All right. Yeah. We have to go to lower time frame to see. Like 4 hours. Go to 4 hours. Let's see for 4 hours. But we are expecting a sale from the daily. Correct. You are correct about that. But let's go to 4 hours and see. So we might see something different. All right. From the 4 hours, you might see something different. You might see a buy. Right. That's why I said let's go to 4 hours. Because from that daily, I can see a sell and I can see a buy. So that's why I said 4 hours. All right. So I'm seeing a sell, I'm seeing a buy from that daily. I'm seeing a sell and I'm seeing a buy. That's why I said it should be to lower time frame to see what we're going to be looking at. Because it can actually buy, it has high chances of buying, and it also has chances of selling. But we can see it on the lower time frame what we're expecting. You can draw them again. This is on, if you are on 1 minute time frame. It is not off. It's just above. It's not off. It is because you are on 1 minute time frame. Go back to daily. I see you see your triangle there. Don't click on that daily there. Scroll down, you see a daily below. Not this one, not this one. Scroll down, not that one. This one. This is the one you click on. The rectangle is still there. Can you see it? Now go to the 4 hours. This is the daily. All right. Yes. That's 4 hours right there. Right. So adjust your resistance to be resistant in 4 hours. Just click on the rectangle, adjust it so that it should be touching all those top in 4 hours. No, I mean the one above, the one above. Is like passing through the price. Yes, yes. Then the bottom part of the rectangle, just take it up to just touching the top, just the top, just the bottom part. Yes, just the top. It should be touching all the tops. No, not yeah, like that. It should be touching like that. All right. So let me see the full screen. You can see that there is support right there, right? So there is support zone on 4 hours. It means that this 4 hour support zone might hold the price. The price might start to buy from that point. You understand? Can you see there is support zone there? No, there's a support zone on this point that the price is right now. Can you see that the price is rejecting upon this support zone that is where the price is currently? Yes, that point. Yes, that point. Yes, there's a support zone there. Draw a rectangle there. Stretch it to the past. No, take it down. Take it below. Take it below. Take it below. Take it down. No, take it down. Down. Below. Yes, like that. Then stretch it. Drop it. Drop it down. Drop the rectangle. No, don't take it down. Just leave it. Drop it. Yes, drop it. Leave it. Like double tap your screen to drop it. Then stretch it. Click on it. Select it and stretch it to the past. Stretch it to the beginning of this range. Just stretch it to the past. Stretch it to the past. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. All right. Can you see what's happening there? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay like that. It's enough like that. Can you see what's happening there? The price is when the price you can see the price broke that zone. We tested it, right? Went up and turned that into support. Can you see how the support zone there? The rule of the support is what? That whenever what the price comes to the zone and buy, comes there the price will buy, right? Comes there the price will do what? Buy. Can you see that it's happening there and has occurred more than one time and two times? It has occurred multiple times, right? All right. All right. All right. All right. So we are looking at so this place is a valid support zone. So this is a valid support zone right here. So the price might buy from this point again. That's what we are saying. Yeah. We should not enter for anything, right? We should enter for a sell or a buy. Now, how do we confirm if you're going to enter for a sell or a buy? Now, how do we know? What are we waiting for to see if you are going to enter for a sell or for a buy? What are we thinking? For a buy, right? What up for a sell? To break it, right? All right. All right. Now let's go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour. If you are going to see a bullish there, if you see bullish in 1 hour, that means it's a buy. If you see bullish in 1 hour, it's a buy. Are we seeing bullish in 1 hour? So what does that, why does that tell us? All right. All right. Very good. And that's also a thing that resting there, like with a morning star, bullish reversal. So you can see we have to go through the time frame to get our bias if you are buying or selling. So at this point now, I should mention a buy trade on GBP USD. So if the market is open right now, I will just enter a buy trade. So so on Monday we should expecting buy for GBP USD. So go to 15 minutes time frame. We'll make our entry. We'll make all our analysis from the daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, go to 15 minutes to enter our to make our entry. So go to that point, that minutes, then scroll to the yeah, 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes is where I should be looking for my entry. Right, this is where I should be looking for my entry right here. So the entry is still early. See, I give us early entry. You can see we have so many bullish there on 15 minutes, weak rejection and bullish candles. Right. So this is going to the top side. No, we can enter. It's already in the zone and it's giving us bullish candlestick, right? Because of if you are trading just support, right? If you are trading support, resistance, right? Upon seeing this candlestick formation inside the support, we just enter for the trade for the buy. Like the example I gave you, that whenever price comes to support, we're expecting it to buy, right? But we need a bullish confirmation to buy. Now we have seen the price inside support and it's giving us a bullish confirmation, right? So we just enter for a buy since you have seen a bullish confirmation. All right. So I think we got that bullish confirmation from the early entry. Let just give us the bullish. That should be an early entry for us, right? But now the price has gone up and it's still consolidating. I said, assuming we got the bullish entry, we saw the bullish entry early, right? When the bullish candle just formed, right? That should be a sniper entry for us to enter the trade, right? That should be a sniper entry. But the candlestick already formed and is already going higher, right? So that means if you are entering at this point, our stop loss is supposed to be below that last low that I created there. This low is created here. That low that is touching the bottom of this, yeah, that low that should be below. Our stop loss should be below that point. Yes, it should be below that point. Yes, because you are saying that the price is not going to come back and break that point. Because if the price comes back to break this low, that means it's going to turn to a sell. That's how our stop loss is going to be below that point. So just and let's see like how many pips the stop loss is going to be. If the stop loss is more than 20 pips, you're not entering the trade. We wait for another entry. We wait for a breakout and a retest, right? Then we shoot. Just like you said earlier, wait for a breakout. All right, you can bring this long position. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You see long position. Look at it there, long position. You come to that price, current price, and click on it. Bring it down to the current price. Yes, stop loss will be low. Bring the entry down to the current price. The entry should be on where the price is currently. All right. Yes. So zoom out, let's see the stop. I set the stop loss to below this price. So it should be very tight below this last deal. You start sharing your screen. I didn't hear you, Abraham. You say you don't understand what you're doing. Okay, you say you're imagining how you understand what we are doing. You definitely understand. He said, wait, that means you're just trading signals, right? That's what you're saying. Okay, okay, spot trading. Okay, all right. That means you're trading spot. That means spot trading. You just buy some coin, keep it, let it to get your. All right, that is very good basic knowledge of trading, right? That's a very good knowledge, like starting point. Uh, yes, yeah, that is correct. So click on it. Let's see how many pips. Let's tap on it. Tap on that. Yeah. So you have to zoom out. The TP is for 2 pips. You want to see the stop loss? Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom it out. All right. Click or tap on it now. Let's see. If you still have to zoom out more. It's showing the below. Tap. You have to zoom out more. No, 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 it's not showing. Go to the higher time frame. Go to like 1 hour. It's supposed to see. Now tap on it. Tap on it. Just don't zoom in. Just tap on it. Zoom out. Let's see. Just tap on it. Go to the 4 hours. Go to the showing here. I guess it's because there's no much space for it. So go to 4 hours. It's gonna be very tiny. Then tap on it. That's all right. You can see it now. This is 27 pips, right? You are risking 27 pips to catch 42 pips. You can see the root is there. Can you see it written there? 27.2. That red part. 27.2. Yes. Why the target is 42.3, right? Yes, to catch 42 pips. So if you take at least 1:2, so 27 pips, 27 times 2 should be giving us uh 50, 54, right? Targeting 54.4 pips. You say, for example, yeah, we can wait for it to give us another entry. Very good. That's a very good outlook. We can wait for it to give us another entry. If it does not come back, you look for another entry from where it's going to, you look for another entry. Since we're expecting it to give us an uptrend, right? You can use Fibonacci to catch retracement. Or we use trend line. Right? Trend line to catch retracement. Alright. Now we use Fibonacci or we use trend line to catch the retracement. So I guess we've not talked about trend line, right? We'll talk about it maybe later in alright. So we can also use trend line to catch retracement as well. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Just to like to modify it, right? On your own. Alright. 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 So I believe with this practice you've understood support resistance and how we have just created a trade right now. This trade you can actually take this trade, right? This is a trade you just created right now, and this trade with risk management you are good on this trade. You just use only you can see we only use what support and resistance. You draw any that on the chart. We just use you can see we didn't draw any other thing on the chart, right? We just used our support resistance and candlestick formation. That's all. All right, which number is that? Yes, I can see it. That's the price for your MP5. Yes, for your stop loss. Yes, once you've placed your stop loss, go back to 15 minutes time frame. Go back to 15 minutes time frame. All right, now you can see that place that where the stop loss is, right? All right, you can actually hold, hold okay, right. 1.26, 1.26563, right? That's what you put to your MP5. Yes, yes, that's what you put your MP5. Correct. Correct. That's what you do. What? All right, so I guess all right. You can continue. All right, so what I'm trying to say is I guess Abraham is asking for your WhatsApp number. All right. So this is on Telegram. Just drop it there. So it's gonna get it from there. Yeah, you can take it straight. That's giving us enough bullish signal already. So once it's Monday, you just look for your entry, a good entry, then you take the trade. All right. Very good. I think I'm gonna take a look at it on Monday and drop the signal as well. So any other person want to share his screen and demonstrate since I'll be having this demonstration class. Any other person? You already have the signal here. You can just drop it. No, I mean you can drop it. You already have the signal on here already. That's the signal right there. But you have to wait till Monday market opening. The way you see retracement, just enter. You can drop it that this is Monday. You can just highlight on it that Monday trade. Just drop it as a Monday trade. You can highlight that as a Monday trade. You understand? Because even the market, if you enter, you won't be able to place any trade. So just highlight that as a Monday trade. But make sure your take profit is like 1:2 or 1:3. Your take profit here is not up to 1:2. So extend your take. All right. So who wants to share screen after? I guess once Mayor is done. Who wants to share? Abraham, do you want to share your screen? Yes. All right. Okay, you have 15 minutes on this live. Go to 15 minutes so you can stretch it. 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So, God, if you want to share your screen, yes? All right. You will stretch it. Click on it, stretch the upside, the top to the upside. Click on that position, that buy position, that long position. Click on it. Then stretch that top side, the top point to the upside. Just stretch it. Yeah, stretch it. It's okay. That's okay. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. This is like 1:4 or so. This is a good take profit right there. That's a good take profit. But take it down a little to 1:3. Yes. Take it down a little. Click on it and take it down a little. Because you are risking 27 pips, right? You want to be catching like 70 pips or so. That's enough. That's enough. Yes, this is enough. This is like 1:3.5 or so. So the take profit, just put this value there. This value there. So 1:3 is good. And that place is also yes. That's why I said. So that means you are risking 27 pips to catch 80 pips. 27 times 3, right? 27 times 3 is going to give us. Okay, go to the 4 hours. Go to the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hour time. Go to the 4 hour time frame. Yes, go to 4 hour time frame. So you see it. All right, what's below? You can see 27 below, right? So I just get my calculator. Right, 27 times 3 is 81. So this is like 1:3. Right? So you are risking 27 pip to catch 80 pip. So that's like 1:3. So if you are using 0.01, that means you are risking $2.7 to catch $8. That's 1:3. Yes, $2.7. 2.7, $2. Yeah, $2, 7 cents to catch $8. That means if you want to risk like if you want to like zero, if you want to enter like two positions of 0.01, then you'll be risking like $5, 5.4 $5.04 to catch $16. Okay, if you want to stack on the trade, right? You can do that if you want to stack on the trade. If you want to stack, you can enter your first position and wait for another retracement. Enter your second position. Your second 0.0. Alright, so what I mean is go to 15 minutes. So I'll explain for 15 minutes. Go to 15 minutes time frame. Alright, what I mean is this. Let's say for example, right? You can zoom in. Let's say for example, we caught this trade very early, right? Go to the current price. You can see, let's say for example, we caught this trade very early when it gave us that bullish engulfing below the price, right? Let's say we have a first entry right there, right? So let's say we have the first entry on this point right here, right? That first bullish engulf that happened on the bottom, that low. Take your cursor, yes, that low. Let's say we had our first entry right there, a sniper entry, right? And want to have another entry. Let's say we enter 0.01 right here from this bottom. I want to make another entry. And we are seeing the price currently at this point that the price is right now. We can enter another 0.01 here. Do you understand? That will make it 0.02 total. That's what I mean. That's what we call stacking trade, right? You want to stack, you want to use dollar cost averaging. When you enter the first position, hold down is in profit, you can enter another position. But make sure you enter it upon retracement. You enter a buy position in the support zone. You enter a sell position in the resistance zone. That's what we are doing. So when you're retracing to a support to buy, I can hear you. Alright, this is what I mean. Let me just try to break it down. You can see that we have a loop here, right? That place you took your cursor to. That point you took your cursor to that time. Yes, that point. That place, yes. Let's imagine that we came to this price, right? And we saw, yes, no, we are stretching it too much. Let's say we came to the price, right? And we are seeing that the price is currently, yes, yes. You see that green that formed there, that big green, that first green that formed there on that low. Yes, that one, yes. Let's say we came to this price and we are seeing the price on that place. That means it does not form on this one yet. We are just imagining, right? We are assuming that we came and we saw that the price there. And that is giving us a bullish signal, right? We can enter one position there. We can buy from there, right? We can buy from there. Yes, Yes, at that point, yes. Let's assume that we bought from there already, right? And the price will be, assuming we bought from there, will be in profits, right? Now, since you are in profit, moving forward, right? Moving to the top side in profit, we can enter another 0.01 again. Since we are already our first, yes, yes, 22784, yes, we can enter another position there again. Do you understand? 0.01, 0.01 again. Yes, that's what I meant. Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But make sure if you want to keep on entering those kind of trades, you make sure you enter it when the price is not on a resistance zone. You can see small resistance zone around this point, right? You see a small resistance zone and a small support zone, right? You will see it. I told you the rule of support and rule of resistance. I hope you wrote it down. On this 15 minutes time frame, you see a small support and a small resistance. 15 minutes support, 15 minutes resistance. Now, when the price is under 15 minutes resistance, don't enter a buy trade, right? Wait for it to come to that. Yes, that point. Yes, yes. Make sure you come back to that support zone before you enter a buy trade, not on the resistance above. That's the 15 minutes support and 15 minutes resistance. Can you see it on the screen? It's just highlighting it on the screen. That's small, all those small things. Yes. If you want to enter a buy trade, make sure the price come back to that 15 minutes support right there before you enter another trade. Not on that resistance. Just make sure you follow that rule if you want to be doing it like that. Like that, yes. That place is a support zone, a 15 minute support zone. Yes. You wait for price to get to that point before you enter another buy. Do you understand? Yes, you can draw a small one down there. But if you don't, but yes, yes, yeah. But if you don't want your chart to be filled up, right? You can just know it with your eyes. Like you already know with your eyes, right? That is already a support. So you can also use your eyes to know it if you don't want to like fill your chart up with so many things. But if you are comfortable to fill your chart up, if you're comfortable to fill up your chart, you just follow the rule. Yes, 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 yes. Just follow the rule. Yeah. For on the lower time frame, you're still going to see those moves, small moves like that, small retracements like that. You'll be seeing it. All those break and retest, small moves, you'll be seeing them on the lower time frame. All right. So any more questions? All right. You can. All right. So if the stop loss is showing, the take profit is showing. So you can just target Monday setup for Monday trade. All right. All right. Just drop your WhatsApp number below the message, right? After you're dropping the screenshot, drop your WhatsApp number below the message. So it's gonna just get the screenshot, get the message. All right. So Abraham, you want to share your screen, right? All right, that's how we learn actually. You can see Mayor just learned by sharing his screen. You can ask Mayor that did he learn from sharing his screen? I'm going to give you the answer to it. You can see he just dropped a trade just now, just by sharing his screen. All right, so that's how we learn. All right, no problem. All right, so how about you, Godwin? All right, so drop it as a comment. It's going to appear in the comments. Let me drop a message. So you just drop it as a comment. Drop it as a comment uh in the message. So there's a chat group, yeah. There's a chat group. I'm sure maybe you're not in the chat group. All right, you're not in the chat group. All right, can you share your screen? So I'll just leave this in the chat group. Share your screen. Mayor, share your screen and go to the Telegram. Mayor, can you hear me? Share your screen, go to the Telegram. Right. Now click on the comment area, comments of that last post. Yes. All right. So you can drop it there. Then on the message, just write Monday setup, then drop your phone number, your WhatsApp. So everyone should be able to get it. So for the chat group, I guess you're going to go to Telegram and search the chat name. But I'm sure you're supposed to get a link. Yes, yes. Okay, I've seen it. So go to Telegram, go to Telegram search icon and search for COFX chat. Go to the search bar and search for COFX chat. Yes. Put it together, COFX chat. All right. So you can send it right here. So Abraham, you can do the same thing. Just this is like a chat. You can drop a chat right here. All right. I guess we've come to the end of the class. We've come to the end. Right. So we'll continue in the next live. Yeah, next live I'll be dropping. Continue from there. So once again, my name is Ibrahim. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And the link to the Telegram channel is going to be linked in the description below. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. Drop it. My WhatsApp also is the link in the description below. All right, that's how we roll it. All right, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Right.